Hi friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a necklace using a very simple process. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you like this design. To make the necklace, I will first take 2 pieces of silver jhumka cap, then add it. We will use this to add the middle portion of the necklace. To make this necklace, we will use fishing wire. First take a 5 mm pearl. Then add 5 pieces of 6 mm pearl in a row. Then again take one 5 mm pearl and 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls. And then I take 2 pieces of 8 mm blue color pearl. Then I take a 10 mm pearl. Then I take 4 pieces 5 mm pearls. Four pieces 6 mm pearls. Then I take 3 pieces of 8 mm blue color pearls and 3 pieces of 10 mm white pearls. I will use the jhumka cap that I made a flower with in the beginning of the video. Then I took 3 pieces of 10 mm pearls and 3 pieces of 8 mm blue color pearls. Then 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls and 4 pieces of 5 mm pearls were taken. Then I took a 10 mm pearls, 2 pieces blue color 8 mm pearls. Then we took 6 mm, 6 pieces and 5 mm pearls, 7 pieces. We have done this completely in a chain. I have told you step by step which pearl I took. I hope you have no problem while you making. Please comment if you have any problem. I will try to help you with a reply. It's very easy to make this necklace design. Hope you all can make this necklace. From behind, we will come with a needle and the 10 number pearls. Then took 2 5 mm and 8 pieces of 6 mm pearls. Then I took 8 mm blue color 8 pieces pearls. Then I took one 6 mm and one 5 mm pearls. After adding it to the middle one, I will make the chain on the other side. For the middle of the necklace, you can use something else, like a pendant, or we can make any kinds of flowers or any big size colorful pearls. To make the middle portion side chain, first I took one 5 mm pearls, then one 6 mm pearls, then I took 8 pieces blue 8 mm pearls. Then I took 8 pieces 6 mm pearls and 2 pieces of 5 mm pearls. we take 4 pieces of 5 mm pearls and 2 pieces of 6 mm and 1 pieces of 5 mm pearls. Then we take 4 pieces of 8 mm blue color pearls. Then we take 1 5 mm, 2 6 mm, again 4 pieces 5 mm pearls. To make the necklace look more beautiful, we will add 1 6 mm off-white pearls, 1 blue color 8 mm pearls and 1 10 mm off-white pearls. At the end, we will add 2 jump rings on both sides to attach the tassel. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment how you like this video and subscribe to our jewelry channel DiyArtiePie.